to my journey with Shawn T's Insanity. Today is day 22 and it begins week 4. And as of today, I am in love with cardio abs. It is the first time I've had cardio work my abs at the same time. And someone, I'm not sure who, posted once that the secret to ab work is all cardio and diet. I'm working on the diet, but the cardio is wonderful. And for me, core work has always been difficult. I've had 2 cesareans, and I had them within 3 years of each other. So that can kind of leave your core, your abs in a bit of a mess. And for me, crunches have always just been the bane of my existence. I never seem to get any results from them, and they just hurt and they're uncomfortable. For me, cardio abs, I felt in the moment. I felt all weekend long. Thank you very much, Shawn T. And I continue to feel, and I'm starting to see a little bit of definition there. I'm sure that once the fat is burned away, that's going to look hot. But anything that rebuilds a muscle that has just been absolutely tired and just like a flat tire for forever, it's just ugh, you know. And that's, my youngest child is 7, so that makes it 7 years since I've not really worked that core and worked those abs in particular. Now, last week, by Friday and Saturday, we completely fell off the wagon, I'd say, because our schedule just got so crazy that we did not do our workout on Friday and Saturday. So that's full disclosure there. Hate to tell you that, you know, the famous pair did indeed fall off the wagon. However, I'm back on it, and I don't think I'll fall off again anytime soon. The downside is that I'm going to have to do my workout in the morning, and then hopefully, you know, join Scott in the afternoon again. But the truth is, I just can't wait until the end of the day. It's just better for me in the mornings to work out. The next thing that I wanted to kind of talk to you about is on that, the planning for the unexpected, the understanding how schedules are going to get thrown off. Today is my 37th birthday. I'm so excited. I'm meeting a lot of the goals that I have for myself at this birthday. I feel great. I feel healthier than I probably felt in 10 years, which is wonderful. However, my birthday also kicks off the "oh Lord, what are you doing" season when it comes to food. It's my birthday, it's my parents' anniversary, my little sister's birthday, my stepmother's birthday, Thanksgiving, we've got Christmas, Kwanzaa, New Year's, everything. There's a million reasons to eat, and especially if you're from the South, you just tack on a couple of extras, you know, just because it's Sunday and people are around. So for me, this is going to be particularly challenging, but the plan is moderation. Yesterday I did have a very, very delicious carrot cake. I didn't eat all of it, but I ate all I wanted. Because into every life, I think a little carrot cake must fall. And today I have on the docket a really, really good Cheesecake Factory cheesecake. And I intend to get that, and I intend to eat it without any guilt. And I hope that when you're eating and you're having these kind of indulgences, you do it in the spirit of moderation and in the spirit of enjoyment with no guilt. Enjoy it. It's your life. You work hard for it. Don't do it every day and recover from it, but of course it makes sense. Starting tomorrow, I'm going to go ahead and do a Shakeology hard reboot. Some people call it a 3-day cleanse. I don't know. I'm not a real big cleanse person. But I do intend to kind of jump on my Shakeology hardcore for 3 days just to kind of get myself back in shape and back on track and fight those cravings and make sure that cheesecake does not become a way of life for me. With that said, you'd probably assume that, you know, some of my numbers would be thrown off because of my 2 days off and, you know, kind of crazy schedule. Actually, I maintained last week, which for women, I think the fluctuation is about normal. Every now and then you're going to drop, and then you're going to maintain. So this week was my maintenance week. Everything stayed the same. I think I actually gained a pound last week, and my body fat percentage went up a little bit, so that lean muscle mass went down, maybe softened up a little bit. That makes total sense considering that I kind of changed my workout a little bit last week. Back on the saddle again this week. I hope that you are having a great week. I hope that you have a plan for this holiday season. If for some reason you're having a hard time with unexpected events, check out Amanda Wold's vlog on planning for the unexpected. She had a really hot one that I had to watch a couple of times last week to get me through. That's also on rockstarpresenters.com, my Rockstar Presenters channel on YouTube. Until next, I hope you are having a fit and beautiful day. I hope that you are feeling encouraged and you are feeling empowered and you are feeling absolutely worth it, because you are. Until next, visit me at 3500is1.com.